Yeah, no love from me. Yeah, I can't show nobody fake love, cause I've been in my bag lately, getting cash, baby. So don't you act like you been here from day one. Graduated from a simp, turned into a big boss. Now she see me getting rich, cause I'm about to take off. Yeah, my life is like a movie, this is only take one. Yeah, and I ain't got no time for no one with fake love. Where the love go? I don't know, but I need something that's for real. She just want designer red bottoms in the hills, California. She just want the limelight, gold digger. She gon' see me when the time's right. Heard that little bro was try to play me. Heard he talking crazy, now he coming to congratulate the kid. I think it's funny how they try to hide the hate and be the first to smile up in your face and show you all this fake love. I can't stand the fake love. Where the love go? Where they go?
We're doing the hand out to the giveaway winner, and he's here. Let's go ahead and bring him in. Dave, our winner. You're ready to see what we have given him away. Here she is.
Dang, look at that beautiful white. So sick.
Yes, sir. To make sure that everything's good with the PC before he takes it home today, we're gonna make sure that he turns it on before he takes off.
Damn. Ain't she a beaut?
She is, bro.
Damn.
She's all yours. She's going home with you.
Alright, damn. Dude, she's like an RGB machine. Look at this.
It is. It really, really is.
The third PC giveaway will be on the 15th of December. If you want to enter, join us live on Twitch and type !raffle to get a ticket. If you are subscribed to us on Twitch, you will receive 4 tickets in total. If you want to see us build the giveaway PC, join us live on Twitch on November the 21st. The Twitch link for our channel is in the description below.